In 1969, NASA began designing a reusable spacecraft that could make trips into low-altitude Earth orbit. By 1981, the shuttle was ready for testing. The shuttle was designed to carry up to 10 crew members. Its large cargo bay can carry satellites and even science labs. The shuttle was designed to be used about 150 times. In fact, all parts of the shuttle are reusable, except for its large fuel tank. The booster rockets on the sides are recovered when they parachute into the ocean. They can be cleaned and ready for reuse within 2 weeks. This is very different from the Apollo missions, where the only thing to return to Earth was the capsule the astronauts traveled in. To withstand the tremendous heat of re-entry into and through the atmosphere, special heat tiles cover the outside of the shuttle. The tiles stop the vehicle from overheating and burning. The shuttle will never be used outside of the Earth's orbit, but it is an important part of NASA's space program. The shuttle carries supplies and materials to the International Space Station. This research lab in Earth orbit is the largest international science project in history. 16 countries are working together to build this enormous facility. America's space program has carried, at times, a terribly human cost. At the Kennedy Space Center is a monument dedicated to the memory of the 17 astronauts who lost their lives in America's 3 spacecraft tragedies. Those were the losses of Apollo 1 in 1967, the Challenger Space Shuttle in 1986, and the Columbia Space Shuttle in 2003. In January of each year, NASA personnel hold a day of remembrance for these fallen space pioneers. Space exploration is a serious and cautious undertaking. To further our knowledge, we continue to push ahead on this vast scientific adventure, about which many care so deeply. That caring and dedication has brought phenomenal progress, starting with those early skyrockets used by the Chinese 1,000 years ago. Rockets have made it possible for us to explore other planets and to send spacecraft to the far reaches of the solar system. From Robert Goddard all the way to today's flights by astronauts and cosmonauts, rockets have helped us to explore and better understand the universe in which we live.